This is the Nokia C21 Plus, and today we would like to demonstrate that you can add numbers to the keyboard on this device. So first of all, you gotta launch the keyboard itself. So Google search, this is not the best example for it, so I'll use the app search. Then once this little top toolbar appears, tap on the cog icon over here and go for the keyboard settings page, then enter the preferences category and switch on the number row toggle. And once I'll relaunch the keyboard, I'll be able to clearly see that the separate number row on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device has been successfully activated. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.